department plan of activities. So for November 6, 2025, so there will be Quiz B by section po, junior high school at senior high school. Then November 14, meron din po contest for Rubik Cubes contest. So yung magagaling sa Rubik's, so you can join sa November 14. Also, for the month trail, per group po ito, junior high school and senior high school, this will be on November 21. And also for the kite making and flying, oh my kite, Saranggola. Kite making and flying contest, ito po ay by grade level for junior high school and senior high school, November 26 naman po siya. Okay, so mathematical innovations, the math by Jesus L. Huenda. So Huenda developed this board game in the late 1970s to help students learn basic mathematics through a Filipino-inspired game. So it combines elements of the Filipino checkerboard game, Dama, with mathematical problems and concepts. So, Damat yun. Next is Baybayin, Transliteration System by Mendoza, Sambayan, and Pino. Researchers from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, created a smart system using optical character recognition and support vector machines to identify and transliterate Baybayin characters into the Latin alphabet. So this system makes the ancient Filipino writing system more accessible to the public. So yun lang po, and maraming salamat. Good morning po.
Again, na may award, please be ready. Archery event, Olympic round, April Garcia from 11 STEM. Bronze medalist, Kyle L. Suba from grade 10, Jade. And April Garcia.
Garcia, April 11 STEM. Sambese Trisha, 10 Jade. Pabular Andre Nathan, 8 Ipil. And Suba Kyle, 10 Jade. Punta po tayo sa harap. Trainer, Ma'am Coraline Pagia.
Yanis Lance from 11 Sports Shop, silver medalist. Cortez Luis Jacob from grade 9 Aquarius, bronze medalist. Coach Mangpe Ailey Gaspi. Trainer Sir Alvin P. Masangkay.
For our Miss Girls, Luis Samantha D. 9 Aquarius, Bantamweight category, silver. Ribamonte, Princess Rochelle G. 11. Extra lightweight, bronze. Acosta Ashley Nicole P. 11 sports track, featherweight, gold. Individual likhaan nyo, single weapon, silver. Individual likhaan nyo, double weapon, gold. And individual likhaan nyo, espada idaga, bronze. Trainer, Sir Alvin P. Masantay. Football, silver medalist, Chef Isaiah Alvaro, grade 9 Aquarius. Tristan Gregorio, grade 11 sports track. Russell 14, grade 8 Ipil. John Lee Altura, grade 7 Adelpha. Carlos Lineses, grade 7 Adelpha. John Art Obales, grade 7 Adelpha. JJ 14, grade 7 Adelpha. Esteban Reid Pacunla, grade 7 Adelpha. Denver Obales, grade 7 Adelpha. Lance Petina, grade 12. Aaron Dalugdog, grade 12. Raven Presnilio, grade 8 Ipil. Argel Gregorio, grade 9 Aquarius. Mark Sheen Gutierrez, grade 9 Aquarius. Mercel Menjola, grade 9 Aquarius. John Lawrence Melchor, grade 12. Ian L. Mendoza, Grade 8 EPIL. Prince Nigel Prado, Grade 8 EPIL. Ang ating din pong football ay nagkamit ng silver medal na katatapos lang na beach football sa Boracay. Ian L. Mendoza, Prince Nigel D. Prado, and Denver Obales. Futsal, silver medal, Hazel MGT Mayo.
For athletics, Althea Kate Pinoya, bronze medalist for 100-meter run, silver medalist for 4x4 relay from grade 7 Antelpa. Coach, Ma'am Daisy Dayanan. Trainer, Sir Alejo Apejo.
S. Regu, bronze medalist. JL Bautista, 12 youths. Brian Zafra, 12 sports track. Coach, Jonathan Espilier, and trainer, Simeon C. Moralia.
Swimming event. John Michael Abayon from grade 9 Aquarius. 200 breaststroke bronze medalist. 400-meter mixed relay freestyle silver medalist. Jean-Claude Gregorio from grade 9 Aquarius. 50-meter freestyle bronze medalist. 200-meter freestyle silver medalist. And 4x50-meter freestyle silver medalist. Vince Jericho Paler from grade 11 sports track swimming event. Gold medalist 50-meter backstroke. Gold medalist 100-meter backstroke. And gold medalist for 200-meter backstroke. Boxing event. Ezekiel Malaluan from grade 12 ABM bronze medalist. Widelio Franco from grade 8 EPIL bronze medalist. Tristan J. Tanieto bronze medalist. Kevin Panagsaga from grade 9 Sagittarius gold medalist and Raa qualifier. Giro John Eric C. 12 sports track gold medalist and Raa qualifier.
For gymnastics, Raiden Acosta from 10J, floor exercise, gold. Camel horse, gold. Bronze, individual all around, silver, team event, gold, Raa qualifier.
Jimmy Gonzalez from grade 8 EPIL, Camel horse silver medalist. Gold, bronze medalist. Individual all around, bronze medalist. Team event, gold medalist. Raa qualifier. Hart Kapugian from grade 11, UMS 1. Floor exercise, gold medalist. Balance beam, silver medalist. Both bronze medalist. Individual all around, gold medalist. Team event, gold medalist. Raa qualifier. Angel Sulweta from grade 7 SSC. Team event, gold medalist. Jeric Laos from grade 12 UMS. Individual men category, bronze medalist. Mixed pair category, silver medalist. Trio category, silver medalist. Individual all around, silver medalist. Team event, silver medalist. Raa qualifier. Jade, individual men category, silver medalist. Trio category, silver medalist. Individual all around, bronze medalist. Team event, silver medalist. Charmaine Waji from grade 7, Goma Mela. Team event, silver medalist. Coach
Ma'am Cherry Ann Rabandera, and Sir Brian Eguyo. And last but not the least, Wushu event. Ezequiel Encarnacion, silver medalist. Villa Cruces John Carlos from grade 8 Ipil. Gold medalist, Ra qualifier. Morong Ralph Excel from grade 12 sports track. Gold medalist, Ra qualifier. Giancarlo Esprane from grade 10 Jade. Gold medalist, Ra qualifier. Shane C. Igron, Benjay. Gold medalist, Ra qualifier. Carlene Gregorio from grade 8 Ipil. Gold medalist, Ra qualifier. Jorilyn Palakpak, gold medalist, Ra qualifier. And LeBron James Paculpo, gold medalist, Ra qualifier. Coach Ma'am Abigail Syra Tolentino. Trainer Sir Eric Esquadro. Athletes, maghawak kamay, itaas at magbigay-pugay. Congratulations! Your PTL family is proud of you.